why hasn't Pakistan announced any plans for a manned spacecraft or moon mission? A thought-provoking question indeed. To answer that, we first need to understand the journey of Pakistan's own space agency, the Pakistan Space and Upper Atmosphere Research Commission, more commonly known as SUPARCO. SUPARCO, the second oldest space agency in South Asia, was established in September of 1961. The agency's initial years were marked with significant achievements. By 1962, SUPARCO had successfully launched its first sounding rocket, making Pakistan the third Asian country to send an object to space. In the following years, SUPARCO continued its space exploration endeavors. The 1980s saw the launch of the first Pakistani satellite Badr-1 into space. This was a notable achievement, marking Pakistan's entry into the club of spacefaring nations. The turn of the millennium brought about a renewed focus on the development of communication satellites. PakSat-1, a communication satellite, was leased by SUPARCO in 2002. This was followed by the launch of PakSat-1R, an advanced communication satellite, in 2011. However, despite these accomplishments, the question remains: why hasn't SUPARCO announced plans for a manned spacecraft or a moon mission? The answer lies in the agency's mandate and the country's socio-economic conditions. SUPARCO's primary mandate is to provide the country with space-related facilities and services for socio-economic uplift. This includes satellite communication, environmental monitoring, and geographic information systems. The focus, therefore, has been more on practical applications that directly benefit the country's population. In terms of socio-economic conditions, it's essential to note that manned missions to space require significant financial investment. Given the various challenges Pakistan faces, such as poverty and education, prioritizing a manned space mission may not be feasible at this point. To summarize, while SUPARCO has made commendable strides in space research and satellite launches, its focus remains on practical applications that directly benefit the country's socio-economic landscape. The absence of plans for a manned spacecraft or moon mission is not indicative of a lack of ambition, but rather a reflection of the agency's mandate and the country's current priorities. However, who knows what the future holds? With the pace of advancements in space technology, it may not be long before we see Pakistan making its mark in manned space missions. After all, the sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon.